I want to show you this 4-inch LED that I picked up. I went for something a little different than what's in the truck. This is a dual color. I kind of like the look of the silver, so it can do a backup light, a white light, and then it can do red. So in order to make that happen though, you've got to add your backup light to this wire. So that's not a big concern of mine right now. I just wanted to have this white look. These ones here are completely shot. So it comes with the power cable. White's your ground. Then you've got your brake light, tail light, one or the other there. Mine is already pre-wired, so this has been done a long time ago. And like I said, if you want the backup light, you just got to hook up this yellow wire. There's the tail light. There's the brake light. That's lights off and brake light.